So the next type of questions that we have, that how to find out the value of antilog. How you will decide when you have to find out the value of the log and when you have to find out the value of the antilog. So let's take a question. For example, if the question is given as log some value, let's say, you know that we have to find the value of the log this much. So we'll use the log table, obviously, that we have already discussed in our previous video, right? But if you have to work out for the value of the anti-log, then how we will decide? So the question will be given as log x is equals to 2 point, let's say 1647. This is the thing that is given when we have to use the anti-log table. Now, how to use the anti-log table? Anti-log table when we will use, so we will not touch the value which is on the left side of the decimal. We always use the right side of the decimal. That is called as a mantissa, right? So what we will see the same thing that we have to discuss, that we have to work out, we have to see 16th fourth column, that is 0.16 fourth column. So if you will see the anti-log table, we have 16 is here, 0.16, and we have to see the fourth column of this. So fourth column is this one. So we have the value 1459. And then we have to 16, the mean difference, 0.16 mean difference 7. So 0.16 and the mean difference is 7 is here. So I think this much. This is the value, that is 2. So we'll add them and the value will be, it's 61. 1461 is the value. Now, how we will decide about this characteristic? So when we have this characteristic, which is 2, what we will do, we will increase 1 to that and it will be 3. And after 3 places, we will put the decimal. So this is how we will use this to get our answer. Okay. So let's take some question, and the question will be like, for example, we have to work out for the value of log x is equals to 1.3649. We know that we don't have to touch which value. We don't have to touch the value which is on the left side of decimal. So we'll take 36 fourth column, 0.36 fourth column. So 0.36 fourth column we don't have on this page. So 0.36 fourth column that we have on, okay, wait a minute, we don't have in this also. So I have just put the log table. Wait a minute, let me check the log table. So 0.36 we want, right? I have not taken the whole picture. So 0.36 that I have, and the sixth column I want now. So it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 2377. So 2377 I have for this one, right? 2377. And we have to see the 0.36 ninth column also. We have to see the ninth column also. So again, we will see the 0.36 ninth column is the last column only that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 5. Okay, 0.36 you will see here, it is 5. Okay, so this is how you have to see the log table. So it's 9. So we'll add them. So the value will be 2, 3, 8, and 9 and 7, 16, 2, 3, 8, 6. Now we have 1 on the left hand side. So we'll add 1 to the number that is given on the left hand side, which is 2. So after 2 places, we will put the decimal from the left side and we'll get the value as this much, which is 23 point. I don't think so it's the exact value, because please check the log table values. So again, I will check. I think it's 2377 only. Again, I will check the log table. It's 0.36. 0.36 fourth column that we have. 0.36 fourth column, it's 2312. It's 2312 and it's 21. Okay. So when we add 9 to that, it will be 21. I think it's 23.21, or if you have the change value, you can just see it. Okay. Now that next we have, so this is how we will find out the value. So next, let's take the next question. Okay. So let's take the next question. For example, I have to take another question. The question will be like, for example, I have taken, question is 4.8291. So what we will see, you will use the log table, anti-log table only. So 0.82 ninth column, right? So 0.82 we have here only. So 0.82 is this much. Ninth column is, I think, this much. which is I think 6745, and 0.82 first column of the mean difference, that is this. So plus 2, so 6747, and we have 4 here, so we'll add 4, we add 1 to 4, which is 5. So after 5 places, so we have only 4 places, we put 0, and then we have to put the decimal. So the final answer will be this one only, that is 67470, and 0, that's the value. So this is how you find out the antilog. Another type of question is, they will, this time we have, let's say, bar. So log x is equals to 3.4867. Let's say we have 3 with the bar. How to do that? We'll do the same thing. We don't touch the left hand side thing. We will only touch the right hand side after decimal. Means 0.48, 6th column we have to see. So 48 is not here. So 0.48, 6th column, 0.48. So it starts from 0. So 6 will come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 3062, and 0.48 for the mean difference will take 7. So 7 is this one, because mean difference starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, not with 0. So this will become 7. We add both the values, which is 3067. And what we will do with the bar? We have 3 with the bar. So we will subtract 1 to that. It gives me 2, right? We'll subtract. Without the bar, we add 1. With bar, we will subtract 1, and now we have 2. So now what we have to do, we don't have to put the decimal. Before the significant digit, how many zeros we will put? Whatever the number that we have come after subtraction, that is 0, and this, that's the final value, 0.00367 that we have. So let's take another type of question. For example, they have said log x is equals to 4 bar point, let's say 0.6501, right? So we know that this is, wait a minute. Now, we'll write it here because we have the values here only. So the question is, let's say log x is equals to 0.6507, and we have 4 bars. So we have to see the after decimal places, that point before point we after point we have 0.650. So 0.65 is this much, in the 0 column is this one, 4467. And for the mean difference, what we will see the, because mean difference column will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 1 here. So we add 1, 4, 4, 6, 8 we have. Now we have 4 with the bar. So we know that if we have the bar, we have to subtract 1. If without bar we have, for the antilog, we have to add 1. So 3 we have. So now what we will do, before the significant digit, we put 3 zeros and we put the decimal. So 0.0004468 is our value. Okay. So this is the another type of question that we have. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.